Okay, guys, now for part 2 of our project or activity. All right, we're going to keep the same image open, the sunflower image. And this time we're going to go to the image menu. So look for the word image at the top of GIMP and click on the word image. And we're going to scroll down. We're going to optimize this image now. So we're going to scroll down to scale image. And this box will pop up. You can set your own width and height, but we're not going to do that today. But I do want to explain to you about these links here on the ends. If those links are broken and you try to change the width, the height is going to stay the same. Only the width will change, so you'll have a really long image. If you only changed the height, only your height will change, okay? So we're not going to mess with that one, but we do want to make sure our links are fully connected. They're a whole link, so that, watch what happens. All right, our activity says to set the X resolution, X and Y resolution. This is setting the resolution of the image. And if you recall from our lesson, the higher the resolution, the larger the image, the larger the file size. So we are going to change this resolution from 300 pixels, and we're going to delete what's in the X resolution and type in the number 72. Now, because we have this link whole, when we click the Enter key, it's going to change the Y resolution to match. Okay, since it's a square image, it's going to be 72 and 72 pixels square. Okay? Now, what that did, since it's a smaller resolution, lower resolution, it's making that file size smaller. It's a lower resolution, so it's making the file size smaller. So when we do click on the scale, that made our file size smaller. So let's go look at our file size. We would have to look actually under, our File Explorer. So we can do that later. Right now, as long as you're set to 72 by 72, you are good. So to save this one, we're just going to save it and submit it to our Dropbox. So to save, we're going to go to the File menu and scroll down to where it says Save As. If you notice again, our image is now sunflower.xcf. We're going to keep it for this project, for this activity. Okay, we're going to learn how to export files to something else later on in the course. So for now, just make sure that it's called Sunflower XCF and click on Save. And that's what you're going to upload to your Dropbox. So you're going to come to your Dropbox on your mod. I don't have it created yet. So you're just going to come to your Dropbox. You guys know how to submit files to your Dropbox. So what we did was saved this in the same folder where we had the image file. Only one is now going to be XCF and the other one is going to be JPG. So mine was under this graphic design. And there's my one that I saved. So that's the one you're going to grab and put in the Dropbox for this assignment. Okay, guys. Thank you.